Hey, welcome back to the channel, but if it's your first time here, my name is Roger Sang, and on this channel, we talk about cameras, tech, and just cool things that I like. And today we're talking about the Dynamic Folio for the iPad Pro. This comes to us from MOFT. If you're not familiar with MOFT, MOFT makes amazing accessories for iPhone and iPad and productivity, like this iPhone case right here, as well as this wallet stand that goes onto it. And I can just pull this back and let it stand like so as an iPhone stand. I could also turn it this way to use in landscape mode as well. But that is the phone and the wallet case. And today we're talking about the Dynamic Folio for iPad Pro. So what's cool about MOFT and their designs is that they're all about simplicity, productivity, and also origami. When I heard about how they love origami, it's kind of cool how all of their stuff folds. And so I'm going to show you this today with the Dynamic Folio case. As you can see, this is a very, very slim iPad case. It's actually adjustable for up to 20 angles, and I'm only going to show you a few today, but you have so many options of how you want to use this thing. It's very slim and lightweight. It's also made of their durable MOFT material. Getting a closer look at the iPad, you see these grooves here. This is where it all folds. Also marks on it, like the circle on it right here, as well as on the back. You've got another circle right here. There's marks throughout the case, like these two lines, that we're going to use to help us match up what we need to match up. And then last but not least, it is Apple Pencil compatible. So let's walk through a couple of different folding methods here. So there's an icon on the front cover and this circle icon on the back. And then what we'll do is we'll open this up and then we'll match these circle icons together like so. And then I'm able to put it up like here, and it gives me 3 inches height right here, which is a better viewing height for me. And if I was to measure this angle, it's 60 degrees. And then while we're in this position, we can go to 30-degree floating mode. All we do is push back and it folds down like so. And now I can view it in 30 degrees. So what's cool about this mode is that I could have it in the 90-degree mode. When I'm looking at it, I could be working on it and doing my thing, and then show it to the person on the other side, like, does that look good to you? No, it doesn't? Okay, let me go back and retweak some things. And then here you go, how does that look for you? So this is about 2 inches for us, so giving us 2-inch height. And what's great about this angle is that it's a great drawing angle. So I'm gonna pretend draw on this. Actually, I should really write something. MOFT rocks, draw rock, color in my rock. Talk to the person on the other side, say, hey, does that design look good to you? It doesn't? Okay, let me fix it. Anyway, so that's the floating mode. Now I'm going to show you dual screen floating mode. As I mentioned before, MOFT makes these phone cases as well. And so say you have a picture on your phone that you want to use for inspiration while you're drawing. What we're going to do is open this back up and put it in book mode like this again. And then these two lines right here, we're going to line up. I'm going to push this in so that lines up. Then what I could do is I can set this down so it sits flat right here, gives me a good angle. And then I can take my phone, set it down on here, and use that as inspiration as I'm drawing here. So I could use my photo right here. Let's see, that's grass. This is how I draw grass. Really terrible at it. Let me get some greens in here. Mix in some greens. You get the point. Or I could put my phone in portrait instead. It's still sitting on the back as I continue to draw. Now let's jump to 80-degree portrait reading mode. As I lift this up, I'm gonna put it in portrait like this. And then from the back, I'm gonna lift up this tab and fold this into here, and that attaches right there with the magnet. And then this could sit on my desk at 80 degrees. And I can read my scriptures right here like that. I'm gonna show you another use case if I'm just sitting back and I have my knee up like this. All I have to do is fold it like that. Let this rest on my leg, and now that sits around my leg perfectly, and I can just scroll and read and take in what I need to. So those are some of the creative angles. Let me show you a few more. This is the 18-degree creative mode. This is the 30-degree designer mode. This is the 60-degree theater mode. We got the 80-degree browsing mode. As you can see, the possibilities are not endless, but you have over 20 different angles that you can use this folio case with. If you want to learn more about this product, I'll have a link for it in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you purchase through there, I get a little kickback. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but thank you in advance. Also want to thank MOFT again for sending this out for me to review. Always appreciate working with you and showcasing to the world the awesomeness that you're doing for us and giving us great tools and productivity. And if you're still hanging out, you want to explore more about camera and tech and productivity items like these, hit that subscribe button. If you found value in this video, please like, comment, and share the video with those that you feel would get some value from this video. And as always, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.